Hello everyone, welcome to AppOkart. Today we will be explaining how you can make an app yourself. So firstly you will log in into your account and then you will go to sales channel and click on AppOkart. Then the screen will open in front of you. Firstly we will be changing menu drawer here and we will click on menu drawer. First option we have is app logo, so we can change app logo by uploading an image here. Next is title and text, so you can see here we are giving it just for an example. So here is the sample title and sample text. You can write any tagline of your brand for this, and you can also change the color of sample title and sample text. You can use from gradient or you can use the particular code if you have any as per your logo. Similarly, you can change the color of sample text also. Again, you can choose from gradient or any particular code. Next, we are uploading an image for app logo. Here we have uploaded. Next, we have is background color. So this background color changes the color of the upper part only, as you can see in the video. Whatever changes has been done in the left side is showing in the right side. Next, you can change the font weight. You can make it bolder. So in this hand font style, you can make it italic or normal. So right now line 1 is changing. Line 1 means sample title. So weight or font style, everything is for line 1 right now, and now we have chosen line 2, that is sample text. So next you can change text transform to lowercase, uppercase or none, and then text decoration is here. You can underline, overline in the text, or even line through. You can cut out the text. Similarly, all the things can be done for line 1 and line 2 both. Line 1 is sample title and line 2 is sample text. We have option of font size and letter spacing also. You can increase or decrease the font size as per your requirement, as you can see on the screen. Again, letter spacing means that a space between each letter. So you can again increase or decrease it as per your choice. Text decoration color is usually chosen to be none. Next, we will go to shop by category. You can see enable or disable option. So the upper part, shop by category option and logout button, these three are by default settings. You can change. Others, my orders, my cart and my wish list is the thing that you can add yourself, that we will discuss later in the video. Right now in shop by category, you can change the name as your new collection or something else you want. Again, button background color changes the background color of shop by category only. And we have text changing. Again, you can use gradient or code. You can change the button icon also. There are different logos given, so you can choose from them if you want any. Next is icon color, so you can change icon color only also, that you can see in the screen. Kindly see left and right side. Whatever changes are be done in the left side has been shown to the right side. Again, similarly, you can change font weight, font style, text transform, and there is text decoration, which is usually set to none. Next, we have font size and letter spacing. Similar changes can be done to the logout button. color, text color, icon color, and you can change the icon. So these are the same changes that are done to shop by category. Once you have clicked reset, all the things will be deleted and you will come to the sample account, and if you click on cancel, then whatever changes you have done will be shown here. So in next we have to add categories such as my orders and wish list. So we will click on add in menu drawer option only. Then if we have any sub menu, so sub menu means if you put wish list as an option, then you can have sub menu of that once you click on wish list. Now we are giving text for the button, whatever we want to add. We are just adding this for a sample. Next you can choose that where will, if you click on that, then where will it will go, or its setting screen, or whatever options are given here you can choose as per your requirement. You can change icon color, title color, and background color also for the particular button. Then again we have all the same settings we have for every button here, and then we will save this. Now you can see in the menu drawer that sample sub menu is there. To edit, you can click on edit button. On the right side of the screen it is given only a pencil is there once you click on sample sub menu, so you can change. Next you can add banners also. So if you want to put your logo beneath this, so you can add a banner. And corner radius means the rounded corners. Once you click on the banner, what will be the link that will be opened, you can add that also. The things done here is just for an example. Next, if we add sub menu to the option, then what will be the data type of that, and what will be the parent menu on which you want a sub menu. Firstly you will select that. Here we have sample sub menu as in a parent menu. Once you click that, you will have a sub menu, and whatever name you want to give to a sub menu you can give. Here we are doing things just for an example, and then you can check the action button and go select one of them so that you can go or be there. Once you click on the part, you can delete it from the delete button shown there, or also edit it. Once you save it, this will be saved. You can also edit wishlist as shown on the screen only. You can change icon, text, and all the similar settings for every button we have. We can change font size and everything else, and then we will click on save. So these are the sample settings which can be done in menu drawer. Once you click on reset, it will be all deleted if you have done something wrong, or once you have saved, then you can also save it. You can delete by clicking on delete here, or you can drag it to the delete option as done in screen. You can delete it from there also. Again we have reset the settings to the basics. Then you can save whatever you want to. So this is how you can make your own app. And one more setting, that you can change the language of your app in English, Bulgarian, Hindi, or English. Once you have selected the option of language, the changes will done in the particular language only, not in the other languages. You have to select each and every language if you want to change in that language only. And this is how you can make an app yourself. Thank you for watching.